Photobooth owners, let me be real with you. 99% of people in this industry are underpricing themselves, and that is the reason their business is struggling. I've been running businesses for 7 years now, from e-commerce shops to event companies. And if there is one lesson I've learned the hard way, is this: the wrong price will kill your business faster than anything else. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Photobooth pricing step by step. No fluff, just a clear roadmap to make sure you're profitable, sustainable, and respected in this industry. And listen, if you think this video is about making you charge $99 an hour, you are on the wrong channel. This is about building a serious business, so let's dive in. First, let's talk about mindset. Most Photobooth owners start with this thought: if I price lower, I'll get more clients. And that is wrong. Yes, why? Cheap prices attract cheap clients, and cheap clients bring you drama, cancellations, and zero respect to your work. High value clients, the one you want to work with, do not choose the cheapest vendor. They choose the most reliable one, the one who delivers an experience, and your prices communicate your value before you even open your mouth. Now let's get practical. Before you set a price, you need to know your true cost per event. Okay, let's break down what it really costs you to run a Photobooth business. First, we have the booth cost. Imagine your whole setup costs you 10 grand. If you plan to use it for 100 events before something breaks, that means every time you take it out, it costs you $100. Print paper and ink. Printing photos is not free. A box costs about $130 and gives you 2 sets. So let's just say about $60 per event. And then you have labor, the big one everyone forgets about. People think a 4-hour booking equals 4 hours of work. Nope. With my company, Peninsula Paris, a 4-hour event is actually 11 hours of work. Why? Because you have time on the phone and emails with the client, designing the templates and graphics, testing the booth at home, packing, loading and unloading, driving there, setting up 2 hours early, staying there, then packing up, then driving home. If I hire someone else to do it, I will have to pay them for everything they do for my business. So let's say $20 per hour. They will work at least 7 hours. That's $140 or more just for labor. Travel expenses, gas, tolls, and even the wear and tear you put on your car. Now, the cost to get a client. This is your marketing cost. Let's say your Facebook ad costs you $5 just to get one person to ask for a code. If it takes you 8 people asking for a code before one person actually books, that means you spend $40 just to get one client. Then you have insurance. If you pay for insurance every year, divide it by the number of events you do per year, that's your per event insurance cost. And you have the website. Same thing. You paid $1,000 for your website, you plan to use it for like 100 events, then it is $10 per event. Marketing extras. Do you pay someone for your social media, or you got cameras, light, and extra gears? That cost needs to be counted too. Let's talk about contract with planners and venues. Some planners take a cut every time they bring you a booking. That percentage also has to be counted in your cost. So here's the truth. If you add all this up, you will see that charging $500 for a wedding is actually losing money. And that is why so many Photobooth companies shut down in less than 2 years. My plan, I'm raising my prices. I'd rather do fewer but bigger, better ones, because that's how you build a profitable business. Now let's get practical. You've got a 4-hour Photobooth gig with unlimited prints, a backdrop, props, everything, and you got referred by a fellow wedding planner. Number 1, booth cost. Number 2, printer media cost. Number 3, labor. Number 4, travel expenses. Number 5, customer acquisition cost, the CAC. Number 6, insurance. Number 7, website. Number 8, marketing. Number 9, commission to planner. So with all that, your total cost is $640. And based on this, you should charge at least double that price. So $1,300 will be the minimum you should charge. It costs $0 for companies like T-Mobile or Verizon to add your line to their network, but they charge you $50 per month. Why? Because what matters is not the now, but the future. You need that money to keep growing your business. And here is a little secret from the business world. Most people don't know what a photo booth should cost, which means you get to educate them. If you only show one price, people will always try to negotiate and say it is expensive or just ghost you. But if you get on the phone with them first, then based on their needs, you send them a well-explained and detailed quote. Coupled with your previous work, all of a sudden, you might go from a 20% conversion rate to a 50% conversion rate, which means for every 2 leads you get on the phone with, you make 1 sale. So stop offering random quotes as soon as you receive a request. Try to add as much value as possible and show them what sets you apart from other vendors. The last thing you want is your business to be seen as a commodity. Now listen, if this video brought you value, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe right now, and share this with a friend in the industry who is still undercharging. And if you want to go deeper, I offer one-on-one consultations. We sell editable contracts, our favorite photo booth, star booth, and much more photo booth related stuff. These are the same tools we use for our corporate activations and weddings. Links down below. Entrepreneurship is already hard enough. Don't make it harder by underpricing yourself.